Get cooking, mastering measuring tools in the kitchen. Hello there, future chefs and kitchen enthusiasts. Today, we are going to dive into a deliciously important topic that plays a crucial role in successful cooking and baking: measuring tools. Remember, accurate measurement is the key to a perfect recipe. In your journey to becoming a master chef, you'll encounter several types of measuring tools. These include measuring spoons, used for both liquid and dry ingredients. They usually come in sets, which include sizes like 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon, and 1/4 teaspoon. Measuring cups, used for measuring larger amounts of both liquid and dry ingredients. Cup sets often include 1 cup, 1/2 cup, 1/3 cup, and 1/4 cup sizes. Liquid measuring cups. These are typically glass or plastic with a handle, and they have markings on the side for various measurement units like cups, ounces, and milliliters. Kitchen scales. These are used for measuring ingredients by weight, which can be especially helpful in baking. Now that we know the basic tools, it's crucial to learn how to use them correctly. Measuring spoons and cups. For dry ingredients, fill the spoon or cup to the top and level it off with a straight edge, like the back of a knife. For liquid ingredients, fill to the desired mark and check at eye level. Liquid measuring cups. Fill the cup to the desired mark and then check the measurement at eye level, making sure the liquid is level with the marking. Kitchen scales. Place the bowl or dish on the scale, then tare, or zero, the scale to subtract the weight of the container. Then add your ingredient until you reach the desired weight. Accurate measurements are essential in the kitchen. Too much or too little of an ingredient can drastically alter the taste, texture, and appearance of your dish. Plus, using the right amounts ensures consistent results every time you cook or bake that recipe. And that wraps up our introduction to kitchen measuring tools. I hope this helps you master the art of accurate measurement in your culinary journey. Remember, practice makes perfect. Enjoy cooking, and let's whip up some magic in the kitchen.